Today we're going to walk through the box method review. Just as Ms. Dietrich taught yesterday, we will be using the box method to distribute while we multiply our two fractions together. You will need a whiteboard. The first example we will be working through is 1 3/5 times 2 3/4. Remember, the very first step is to create your box and label it. 1 3/4 and 2 3/4. The second step is to fill in our box, multiplying each of the numbers together. 2 times 1, 1 times 3/4, 2 times 3/5, and 3/4 times 3/5. We will then multiply them together. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3/4 is 3/4, 2 times 3/5 equals 6/5. Remember, multiplying by a whole number, you put the whole number over 1. And then 3/4 times 3/5 is 9/20. The next step is to add all of your answers together. 2 plus 6/5 plus 3/4 plus 9/20. 2 plus 6/5 equals 2 6/5. 3/4 plus 9/20, we need to find a common denominator. Our common denominator here will be 20. It then turns into 15/20 plus 9/20. 15/20 plus 9/20 is 24/20. 24 can go into 20 one time with a remainder of 4. That gives us 2 6/5 plus 1 4/20. We will then add those two together. Again, finding a common denominator. Our common denominator here is 20. So we have 2 24/20 plus 1 4/20. That gives us 3 28/20. 28/20 can go into 20 one time with a remainder of 8. We then have 4 8/20. We can simplify that down and get 4 2/5. Try this one on your own. 1 1/3 times 2 1/2. Pause the video and work this out on your whiteboard. When you are ready to see my answers, hit play. Remember, the first step is to draw your box, label it, and then correctly solve all the multiplication problems. Once you have done that, you will then add them all together. Remember, when you are adding, you have to find common denominators. You will then get your answer and make sure it is in simplest form. This answer is 3 1/3. If you got this answer correct, you may move on. If not, watch the video one more time. Your teacher will now give you the assignment to complete for the remainder of math time.